Yes, so in this vlog, you guys will be seeing me going out for a ride and going to buy crackers. So in this vlog is gonna be pretty randomized, but it's gonna be going in an order. So first, I'll be going in a ride. After that, I'll go to my friend's home. After that, I'll go to buy crackers. After buying crackers, I'll go to my friend's home again, eat dinner, and then I'll just come home. That's what's gonna be happening in this vlog, guys. So make sure to check this vlog and keep watching it. And let's just get to the next clip. Okay, so welcome to this vlog. This is one day before Diwali, and the audio of this video right here did not come properly, so I'm doing a voiceover. So I did not, since morning I did not do anything at all. Right now it's evening around, it's like 5 p.m. almost at this, not 5 p.m. it's like 4:30 p.m. around like that. I'm going down right now to go to my friend Chaitanya's house to pick him up, and we'll go for a casual beach ride, near beach ride. And yeah, as you guys did not know, I actually kept LED lights on my bike, and the battery pack I taped it to the back of my passenger seat. Okay, actually, has as Chaitanya has to sit on the passenger seat, so what I did was I kept the passengers what I mean is I kept the battery pack under the seat, and also kept the full system Yoshimura exhaust. And this part is where me and Chaitanya just came near the Vizag's viewpoint. That's the city I live in. And the view was really good. I just wanted to put this in my vlog. And yeah, that's it. After this, we just got home. And yes, the previous clip is actually only straight pipe voice note. And also, guys, all of the lights, my mom has kept it all by herself, and also she did get the person who works in her house help too. Actually, I was like kind of out at that time, so she kept these lights. And dude, over the tree, I really love. Yeah, so right now I'm actually going to my friend's house right now. So it's in third floor. We may go and buy some crackers right now. He won't be celebrating, so he will only buy that small single 100 rupees wala pack crackers right now. So I just could have recorded like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna use him as my company, and I'll happily buy my crackers. And yeah, he's right here. Lol, let's go. 1 second. This guy is right here. This is the guy who I will be taking to buy crackers today. So this guy is playing Ghost. What was the game name? Ghost of Tsushima. Okay. So the Ghost of Yotai something is the new one, right? Yeah. Okay, so he's playing Ghost of Tsushima right now on his RTX 4050 laptop. He plays Clash of Clans. Okay, wait. There's nothing personal in my DMs. I'm in my own DMs. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, he plays Clash of Clans. Yeah, I just found out he has them. Okay, this guy has Clash of Clans downloaded. He did not even tell me. Okay, and this is his friend's clan. It seems Andhra Warriors. So there are these friends in his clan, and this is his base, bro. This guy is so weird. I mean, I don't know why. He has only gold upgrades, which is like super rare. He has all the heroes, walls, stuff maxed out, except for laboratory. I don't think it's lab almost max. Only dark is left. Yeah, only dark. That too few upgrades. Yo, okay. Yo, better spend your freaking dark. And Elixir, he can chill with his Elixir. And Goal, I'm gonna upgrade the best stuff for his base right now. And yeah, I'm not gonna make this a Clash of Clans video, but I'm just gonna play with him, and we're gonna go to buy crackers soon. Yeah, so right now me and my friend Abhay are going to buy crackers, and basically this guy robbed 500 rupees from his mom just now, and his mom knows, so no worries. Second thing is, I don't know what I'm gonna buy. Flower pots, that wheels, the chakras, and bombs. That's what I will be buying mostly. That's crazy part. I forgot my bike keys. He's driving. Accelerator problem on the bike, but he's trying his best to drive. And with exhaust that too. I can hear him finally. He's back. He's alive. No accident. Happy. Yeah, that's the lag I was talking about. It will be hard for you to drive in traffic. Ow. Ouch. Hey, he drove it nice. My exhaust on, dude. and we came to AU with Abhay. Bro, if you look there are like 2 police officers. Like I'm like shitting my pants, lol. Behind us exit, if there is, we can easily go. But if we have to go from here, man. There's like a police guy right on the right side, right here, as you can see. And bro, we are like going to buy crackers. I don't know where we can buy crackers right now. That's the problem. Wait, that's the place for crackers, huh? We do not know where the crackers are actually we can buy it from, but we are going following the big glowing white lights basically right now. Guys, no idea where the entrance is, but everywhere I see. Hey, we're gonna go there, okay? We're gonna show the people what's happening. Right now we are going here to show you guys what's happening there, okay? So, good luck. What are we walking on, dude? Full rocky trekking adventure right here.
We have shots.
Lol. Guys, right now we don't know what's happening. I'm with Abhay. We're walking 100 meters. And we have no idea what's happening here, dude. So these are all the tents. We can buy crackers. Let's go, boys. Pretty excited right now after I came here. Guys, Abhay is saying these are tents not for crackers. Crackers are there. What are all of these tents for? Sleeping or what? Lol. It's for crackers now, dude. Abhay is saying it is for crackers now, lol. What's happening there, bro? What's happening there, bro? Ghost car. It was beeping on us. Yo, it's beeping on us. Oh hell no, it's beeping on us, bro. Sheesh. I don't know what's happening here, but pretty interesting, I guess. Guys, right now we don't know where we are going. I don't know if these tents are for crackers, but we are gonna go from here and we'll try to see if they are crackers or not. So right now me and Abhay exploring, lol. Okay, so this is the entrance to go and buy crackers right here. We finally entered. We don't know where we are supposed to go, but we are just gonna walk where people are going. Yeah. That's the entrance, and yep. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Okay, so we just came through this road where we'll just keep walking on right now, dude. Finally entered the area where we are supposed to buy the crackers right now, dude. And we're just gonna keep moving and we'll keep buying whatever crackers we want. Abhay will only buy one type of crackers. I have to check what all good stuffs are here.
I'm going to buy black people.
What the hell? Like lots of stalls right here, so we're just gonna go all the way back and then we're gonna come all the way here again. So as you can see, that's like one more entrance, and there's like so many rows, dude, like so many. It goes like so far too. Crackers, we bought like sky bombs, sky rockets, we bought 100 walas, we bought the matchsticks and all.
Tomorrow calculation of
Boo chakrams and flower pots. That's the stuff we bought. Costed 1,575. Mom gave me 1,000 rupees. He just stole 500 rupees from his house. Money depleted in seconds, bro.
1,575.
Yeah.
Amritamshi 1,000.
So there are like so many rows in here actually. So we're gonna just explore for now. You can see there's like one more row right here, and there's like it just keeps going, dude. Like so many tents here. Yeah, we just bought all of the crackers in this freaking bag. We went bankrupt instantly. We couldn't buy any more stuff from the tents anymore, and we'll just head home. We're just gonna head home for now. So, dude, I'll just showcase how big this area is right now. So, like all of these rows, they have like tents, and like in the rows and the columns, it's like 10 by 10. They're like a lot. Yeah, we are like probably gonna be going out right now, and we're just gonna head home. Now, the main what do we say? Task is how do we get out without the police noticing our exhaust. So please. Entered from this area, we went into that side. Now we're gonna go left. GD. Okay. So we're gonna go left and we're gonna go that side. That's where we parked the bike, and we're gonna get out of here, dude. Lot of stuff. 1575 stuff in here. Nickname the bag as 1575, okay? Because that's the price of the crackers in that bag. So I spent 1075 and Abhay spent his 500 rupees he bought. And yeah, there are like lights in the sky, dude. If you guys can see it. Looks good too. So this is like the entrance, so we're gonna get out and go home instantly right now. People are buying crackers from here. That's the entrance. I do not know what all these tents are, and there's like a dance program happening there. So we're just gonna go near a dance program.
Almost, bro. Why is this guy? Abhay, come. Talking to a junior Chalia always. Yeah. So yeah, basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go near the dance area right now, and we will just showcase you what's happening there, and we're just gonna go home, dude. With our 1575 baby girl we just adopted. Like literally, bro. Like I don't know what's happening in that complete dance area. Like
Black
what?
people are dancing.
And you're gonna buy them? Wow, bro.
Yes.
Wow. Make them work for you.
Slaves.
సో యా మేడం మీకోసం స్పెషల్ గా ఇక్కడ టూ బర్నర్ గ్యాస్
మా కోసం అమ్మాయిలు ఉన్నారా మా కోసం చెప్పండి
గ్యాస్ రిజర్వేషన్ బై
bro. This entire parking area, all of this is parking area. That's like crackers, tents here, some dance performance.
అండ్ పాపరత్నం గారు కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్
Some stuff is happening, people are sitting,
and coupon number is
and we are leaving. Bye bye. And also I'm wearing this helmet which is plastic, almost like hard plastic basically. And right now we're gonna go out of here.
Selling black people.
The hell, that one friend wherever I take him, lol. So
We
crowd
need
is
to
looking
sell
good.
Black people.
I'm tired, bro.
Okay, I should stop selling black people
Not about black people, bro.
because they're black.
Nah, sky is looking like good in the camera, lol.
Because they're black over
So tired. We'll be going home right now.
there. And sell more
And
black people.
huh? Sell? Nah. Hey, this is my bike, Ra. Lol, happy on the bike. Yeah, let's go home. So peace out. We just got to my home. We'll keep the crackers in my home. Me and my mom. In tomorrow's gonna be a different vlog for Diwali. So yeah, today's vlog is only about showcasing. Okay. So tomorrow me and Abhay will be like doing a vlog together. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep it inside God's room, and I'm gonna go to Abhay's home basically. Lol. Okay, so right now I'm going to Abhay's house because we just kept the crackers in my home, right? I'll just go to his house and we're just gonna chill in his home. We'll play Clash of Clans. Oh man. Yeah, we're alive. Hey, slow. Hey, second gear.
I was holding clutch.
I know that.
You parked it.
Luckily, God, imagine Hey guys, I just came to Abhay's home right now after keeping the crackers at my home. His mom got me fried rice and Abhay gave me 2 chocolates. Wait, 1 second. Not only 2 chocolates, bro gave me a 3rd chocolate. That too African heart symbol. Bro loves me. Oh hell no. I'm just joking, man.
Black people.
Black people, nah, that's the only thing you get. His mom made me good raita and yeah, what? Yeah, and also guys, let me just show you. So that's what I said. So he's gonna send a message now, bro. Send it. Yes, sir. Yeah, now she's gonna know me. I'm this dude's better friend than her. Yeah, it's gonna be really loud. Okay, start. Okay, we're gonna do a straight pipe test of revving it. It's gonna be like really, really loud right now. Now let's just turn it on right now, guys. It's fucked up. Oh my god, the flame. You saw the flame, right? Now it's simple to keep it. I did not keep a spring on it. It's 10:26. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to my home right now. So yeah, that is it for today. We bought crackers. It was really fun buying the crackers, and then I ate dinner at his home. Basically, I did not tell my mom I'm eating dinner at his home. His mom just gave me food. And we just played a little bit. I learned a little bit guitar, and now I'm gonna go home. Okay, guys, so I'm finally home, and I'm pretty tired. So I hope you all loved watching this vlog, guys. I probably spent around 45 minutes editing this vlog, and yeah, it took me around 40-50 minutes almost. So yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel, guys, and let's try to hit 100 subs before the end of this year. And yeah,
I really know one thing for sure. This vlog is 15 minutes long, and my tomorrow's Diwali day vlog, I'll try to keep it around 10 minute or under 10 minutes time vlog. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace out.